Hardened. Secure. Safe. Data Cave. Data Cave was built from the ground up with one purpose: to house and secure data from the elements. Privately owned and operated, Data Cave is centered on 21 acres in the middle of America's heartland, Columbus, Indiana. Convenient to Indianapolis, Cincinnati, and Louisville, yet remote enough to mitigate man-made disaster.
We knew we had the luxury of building from scratch. And so at that point, our thought was, what are the things we need to put into this facility that really make it stand alone from other facilities? Being in the Midwest, our number one risk mitigation factor is storms. And so we designed this facility to be tornado-proof. We also built in all of the other potential disaster mitigation we could think of: floods, fire, earthquake, anything that could possibly cause a problem with keeping this equipment on and available 24/7, we factored into the design and build of this facility.
Data Cave is a state-of-the-art facility in a great place in Indiana, uniquely positioned to handle the high-density environment needed for virtualized computing.
Having 100% uptime for our company is very important, and our employees understand that. And so we have to have multiple things around the facility, not just generators, but other electrical infrastructure, cooling infrastructure, network infrastructure, so our customers never have to be down. The private data suite model was to have a building within a building. That gives us some flexibility in that we can constrain resources to that room. So we can have dedicated cooling, dedicated electrical, dedicated fire suppression for each of those rooms, independently zoned from the other rooms. In this case, you have a private room, concrete block wall, private access, swipe carded, get in, nobody sees your equipment, nobody else gets in access to that area. So it's almost like a private data center in the shell of our building. One thing very common in legacy data centers is the raised floor. You can get much better cooling capacities with overhead cooling. Here, all of our cabling is done overhead. It's dropped directly to the rack.
At Data Cave, security is job one. Beginning at the single entry fenced perimeter, security increases at each level: 24/7 surveillance monitoring, badge readers, mag locks, and biometric access into the data center ensure limited entry. Remote, hardened, scalable security. This is the place you want your critical equipment and data in the event of disaster. Data Cave. Call now to schedule your personalized tour and find out why Data Cave is the ultimate solution for protecting your IT infrastructure.